I have 3 AI agent plays that you cannot afford to miss out on, particularly in the Virtual Protocol ecosystem, and we've been absolutely killing it. And I'm confident at the end of this video you would agree with me, especially my last play, so make sure you watch this video until the end if you want the alpha.
Francis Dune Uncensored.
Welcome back to another video here at Francis Dune Uncensored, where we do have tomorrow's newspapers. Today, this is also called a Smart Money channel. If you like putting yourself ahead of the crowd when it comes to the next best thing in crypto, like these AI agents we've been dropping y'all, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss out on exclusive content like this. And let me tell you guys, we've been absolutely scorching on fire. We are literally the best traders right now in the entire Virtual Protocol AI sector. AI agent sector, and I'm going to show you guys this. If you saw my last video, you are fully aware of Dora, you're fully aware of Cert AI, and you're also fully aware of Pod. And if you're not aware, let me drop the alpha on you right now. So right here, in the last 24 hours rather, Pod, which is the first AI podcast, is up over 208%, taking the #1 spot for the most top gainer. And coming in number 2 is Dora at 192%. We were there very early and we reaped the rewards of this popularity boost. And also Cert AI, that's up 90%. We have just rocked 3 out of the 4 top gainers. And let me tell you, it's really hard to beat that. So if you're not subscribed, make sure you are here and you are with the program, guys. I'm very excited to record this video here for you guys because I want you guys to understand this, right? When you're getting into these AI agent tokens in the Virtual Protocol ecosystem, it's mainly about the productivity tokens or these sort of AI agents that are offering you some sort of value proposition when it comes to speculating or making money. Whether that's a trading bot, whether that's a decentralized DAO, whether that's some sort of like AI launchpad, AI VC, AI trader, so on and so forth. And if you take, for example, the leading one in the space, which is right here, AIXBT. This guy drops alpha, he tells you what people are buying, and you can even ask him for some plays and he'll give that to you. Now, when we come on over here, it's not by surprise, he is the most valuable AI agent because he's giving people alpha or an opportunity, some sort of like information that they could go and implement and, place a trade or what have you. So he's very valuable, and this is what it comes down to. We need to look for other AI agents similar to AIXBT, and we got that just for you here, okay, guys? So let's break it down. And we are talking about Vader AI, ladies and gentlemen. This one's a gem. We're starting off with the higher market caps, and then we're getting lower and lower in this video, so don't worry. I'm super bullish on AI, on Vader AI, and we actually got into Vader AI a couple days ago at about a 50 million market cap. It's about roughly right now a 76 million market cap. If we click that, and there we go, a 76 million market cap. So we're up nicely, but the beautiful thing about Vader AI and a couple others in this video that we're going to share with you is there's 2 sides to the coin here. There's the actual coin, the token, and then there's the platform that has embedded Pumpamentals utility that drives the token demand up. Why? Because as we alluded to already, people are looking to make money through these AI agents, kind of like how you're coming to this video right now, trying to look to see how you could bank some coin. The game is changing when it comes to these AI agents, and that's what people are gravitating towards. Now, this was something on Christmas Eve that I got into. Now, Vader AI conducts something called a micro-cap investment DAO. They also did one previous to this that was very successful and finished in about 30 seconds. And I was actually one of the lucky people to get in. Only 137 people got in. And over here was a video of me celebrating thereafter. And, when we head on over to Vader AI's Twitter, we get some insights. They're getting some notoriety, and for good reason. And, the person behind it is this guy right here. And he's a very serious, hungry developer. You can tell this guy is on it, and he understands what people want. He understands demand and utility. Now, we're just going to scroll down. We're not going to read all of that for you, but he explains what it does here. So this is an investment DAO, which enables users to invest in a certain narrative theme strategy without having to roll up their sleeves. Investment DAOs on our platform will be either managed by AI agents okay, like Vader AI, or humans like himself or maybe some of his expert partners. The first investment DAO on the platform will be a small cap strategy targeting virtual agents between 700,000 to 5 million market cap. So they opened up the doors for that some time ago and it literally ran out, like it got eaten up in about 30 seconds. So right here, this is their small cap DAO, right? It's 226,000, the DAO manager by Vader AI. Okay, so this appears to be managed by the actual AI agent in himself, right? They're looking for tokens within the 2 million to 10 million market cap range, okay? Then there's another one called the microcap, which was the one that I actually got into. Right here, when we scroll down, just let's read this out here, and so you can fully understand this. So the strategy: Vader AI microcap DAO leverages comprehensive arsenal of thousands of machine learning-based trading strategies to actively trade virtual agents within the market's capitalization, ranging from 100K to 2 million. Okay, now pay attention to this part over here. An additional strategic advantage for Vader AI Microcap DAO lies in its exclusive access to pre-sale deals, discounted over-the-counter OTC deals, and from leading agent teams. Our team excels in sourcing these negotiations and these particular opportunities. So that's bullish, right? That's super bullish. This is what people are looking for. And this really reminds me of the last bull run in 2021, where we saw a lot of these launch pads come to market. They weren't AI operated though. They were operated by human beings, and those perform the best. And I truly see Vader AI, becoming the leading launchpad and investment DAO on Virtual's protocol, which says a lot because think about it. There's going to be so many more agents coming about in 2025, and it's going to be much harder for the average guy to weave through those and pick a winner, right? But if you got something like this, then I think, it's worth the shot for sure. It's very intriguing. But that's not why we're really bullish on them alone, right? Now, let's pay attention to the staking example. So right here, guys, look at this. This is mind-blowing. So over half of the freaking supply is being staked. And that entails a stake up to 3 months. Once you stake, it's locked for 3 months, which means what? You have over half of the supply off market for an extended period of time. And then you also offer this utility that gives the average guy access to certain pre-sales that's going to come out, or they make investments for you. It's very interesting. So what do we have here? We have a product that people are into, which is speculating, access to some sort of investment vehicles like a DAO or pre-sales. We also have over half of the supply staked, so that's off market. It always comes down to that patent supply and demand 101. And going back to what I said, how I see Vader AI becoming the leading DAO investment vehicle, well, that's exactly where they stand in terms of market cap. We have AI XBT. Okay, that's like the trading influencer, trader influencer, whatever you want to call him. We have game productivity, we got Luna, we got Cortex, and then Vader. So they are the tops in that regard. So I just think that market cap's only going to grow more and more and more, right? But you're probably wondering, hey, that's great and all. Like, it's at 75 million market cap. Yes, I could get into some pre-sales, but what if we could find a Vader AI that has a much lower market cap? Well, let me tell you, that's exactly what we found right here in AI Rocket. AI Rocket is another one of these types of investment vehicles in the virtual protocols. And again, why are we looking into this? Because people value this the most. This is the most bullish sort of AI agents when it comes to volume and user interest, okay? That's just how it is. So what is AI Rocket? A multilingual AI agent across the universe, saving citizens on Earth. The moon shall be your new home. Okay, so that's just like their little thing over there. And there's something that I did over here, and I need to clear this up, right? And I said this AI agent token could moon, but here's why I'm not touching it. Now, this was a grave mistake on my behalf, and let me show you guys what I mean. When I came down over here to the registry part of the token, it's going to show us the token holders, right? Like the top 10. And right here, I saw number 1 had 50% of the supply. And obviously, to anybody who has half a brain, that's a big no-no. However, AI Rocket commented in that same tweet right here, and they cleared things up. They said, thanks for the review. We've already cleared the use of the 50% of the funds since the beginning of our launch. Our rewards ecosystem has already developed and a percent going towards our holders. First tranche is going to be January 1st of 2025. And you know, when we come on over to their website, it clearly states that right here. So I do want to apologize to the team rather, for giving out inaccurate information. So what they're telling us right here is this allocation right here, about 50%, is locked up in this vesting contract. And lo and behold, when I come on over here and I plug in the contract, which ends in 827 right here, that's exactly what we're seeing down here, right? And 24 days ago is when the token was created, and that does correlate right here. 25 days ago, created by this address right here. Okay, guys? So I do want to apologize to them. Now, this makes it super bullish because now we have similar attributes to that of Vader AI, where you have 50% of the supply that's off the market or being vested at least, so it's not entirely off the market. I believe it works out to something like 4% coming out on the 2nd, right here as a state monthly vesting. So that's still bullish, and these guys are a little bit more behind Vader AI in terms of development, but once things starts to roll out, we could see what they got to offer. And speaking about what they got to offer, they're going to be offering very similar, benefits, which is pre-sale accessibility, OTC deals, and the AI agent market. Come on, guys, it's booming. We're all looking right now on Virtual's protocol for the next big winner. And I'm led to believe these guys will start to get connected in the field, and they will become the go-tos where they're going to get the best deals. That's just how it normally works, right? If you're in this ecosystem, you're established, you're a known brand, well, up-and-coming real AI agent projects in this particular instance are going to go to them because now they're at the top and they're known, and if they go through them, they could get exposure as well. That's how the investment game works when it comes to the launch pads, and we're very, very excited with this. We were able to get into, I actually just invested into AI Rocket today at a 4.5 million market cap, and I think it's going to do well. I think AI Rocket, when it's all said and done, could do a nice 5x from a 4.5 million market cap within a matter of, I don't know, let's say 3 weeks, 4 weeks, something like that, maybe less. So let's see what happens over there. Now, what do I really got to share with you guys right now? Which brings us to my most bullish pick of them all, guys. Like, seriously, I am super bullish on this. Now, if you're like me and you're trading on Virtual's protocol, it's a nice platform, of course. There's a ton of opportunities over there, right, if you're hustling. But the only thing that's missing is the trading experience or the way you navigate this website, right? Guys, that is going to soon change with DataPort Navigator. This is my most bullish project to date in the damn AI agent ecosystem as a whole. Forget Virtual's protocol, okay? So what are they calling themselves over here? Analytics Assistant for Virtual Agents Ecosystem. Real-time data. And when you click this right here, this one actually gives us more data. This is the contract address. And as we go over here, enhanced trading experience, analytics-driven platform on base. Vision 2025, building the future for virtual agents trading. Smart order execution and routing, whale wallet monitoring, advanced portfolio analytics, AI-powered insights. So what this is trying to tell us is, think BullX UI, think Sats Pump Fun UI. That's what they're going to do with the different columns, and guess what? They actually show it to us right freaking here, okay? So instead of, right, you can look at the latest coming out, you can look at it by market cap or featured. And obviously this is just the damn, let's call it, not even MVP. This is like the alpha. So 0.1 volume. And this is what you could expect to see, kind of like what you would do on a BullX, on a Photon, right? And also on a satspump.fun, which is the first pump fund platform in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Go check them out. Just look at the pinned message in my profile on Twitter. Okay, guys, this is what's missing, okay? It's really missing very badly. I just hate scrolling down all the time. And there is a use case to this token, guys, okay? It's the port token. And this is what they had to say in their Telegram chat when it comes to the token's utility. So Port's token is closely tied to our analytics platform, aport.trade. For a virtual agent ecosystem, it's designed to provide access to advanced platform features, real-time market data and insights, virtual agents dominance, index tracking, enhanced analytics tools, ladies and gentlemen. Super bullish. I believe this is going to be a grand winner, and right now it is trading at a market cap of 2.5 million, giving it the smallest market cap out of all of these tokens, right? So we have Vader AI at about 75 million. We have AI Rocket trading at the time of the recording of this video at about 5 million. And then we have Port trading at 2.5 million, guys, okay? Full disclosure, I got in at 1.3 million and 1.7 million when it comes to Port. I'm just dropping the alpha, man, and that is alpha. I don't care what anybody says. So let me know what you think about that. I'll leave the links for you guys in the description box, in the comment section. And I got another fire pick, but I just be dropping too much alpha. I'm going to have to save that for the next video. If you're not following me on Twitter, you are missing out on alpha in real time. Go follow me on Twitter at TheCryptoLife, LIF7, if you want the latest of the latest and the greatest of the greatest. So there ain't really much left to say other than, until the next video, your ass is on your own, bro. Later.
Francis Dune, Uncensored.